FANUC, leader in industrial automation and robotics. FANUC is a pioneer in industrial automation and robotics, known for its continuous innovation. From CNC systems to industrial robots, it drives global manufacturing and sets new standards for efficiency and intelligence. ZHICHUAN 330E wireless tilt sensor, the ultimate warehouse safety solution. The ZHICHUAN 330E wireless tilt sensor offers high accuracy and fast response to detect potential risks early. It's easy to install with no wires, and its long-lasting battery provides up to 5 years of continuous monitoring. This ensures continuous protection for warehouse systems, operating around the clock with minimal maintenance. FANUC Smart Manufacturing in Shanghai. At FANUC Shanghai Phase III, cutting-edge automation meets smart technology. Partnering with ZHICHUAN technology, FANUC ensures real-time monitoring and precise alerts for both goods and equipment, enhancing safety and productivity. This collaboration marks the start of a smarter, more efficient manufacturing future.